What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got this 2023 Mustang Mach-E. All right, we're gonna be doing a quick walk around on this one right here. I got it hooked up to the charger, so I just go ahead and do a quick walk around at the same time while I'm doing it. Now, this is the Mach-E 4X. All right, and we're just gonna be doing a quick walk around. This is what you would call Ford electric competition against the Tesla, Model Y, I would say. And today we're gonna be just doing a quick walk around, take a quick look at it, see what we think about it. Got these beautiful headlights, these beautiful tail lights. This right here has some nice 225, 55, 19-inch wheels on it. Got the horse in the middle, the stallion, and we're just doing a quick walk around today and take a quick look at what this thing looks like, and how the electrifying of vehicle, is going to be coming. Let's take a quick look on the inside. I love these door handles right here. Just push the button, pull, and the one in the rear, it's just easier. Just push the button, and then of course that push the door all the way out for you. All right, so yeah, let's take a quick look on the inside. All right, the door open, unlock your door from inside. Everything here looks pretty the same. They do have the Mustang logo going on right here. And of course, this is a quick look of what it looks like on the interior. Like I said, I got it charging, so it's up 49% right now. And then you can see that there's a small screen right there. There's no heads-up display, and you have a large screen right here in the middle that shows you everything from, charging and the navigation, the phone, the radio. Everything is right within this big screen. Now, Tesla screen's a little bit relaxed. This one is, upright. If you look at it at an angle, you can see how upright that is. Now we got the wireless charging right here, and we do have the USB and the USB-C going on right there. Under the bottom, we got more storage. We got some storage right there, and we do have a parking brake to hold. Our gear selector is right here. So basically, you just flip your knob, left to right. Of course, it's running right now. And then you got some more storage space on the bottom. That does lift up. Close back, open. Love the seats, beautiful seats. And you can control it up or lower, forward or back. And of course, it's contour, so you push some button and you can see the rear area of that right there. See it? Okay, good. Now, as we take a look, we go around, we're gonna open the back, and we'll just jump on the inside and see same thing right here up front. We do have to open the door from inside. We have the speakers, we have the open area, and you just cruise and take a look at the back seat and see different space. Now, we do have one panoramic roof going on from the back all the way to the front, and I must tell you, with the sun and midday, you can feel it on top of your head. I think we need a shade for that. So they should definitely have a shade. Even the Teslas, they should definitely have a shade, because that does not, the fact that it's tinted on the roof, it doesn't take the sun all the way off as good as a shade, right? As we come around to the rear of the vehicle, there's one button under the bottom here. You just basically touch and watch the trunk open up. And then we can see the storage space inside this vehicle. There's no spare tires. You get a pump, and that's about it. All right, push that button to close the trunk again. And yeah, we'll continue around. We'll move to the other side. We'll take a quick look on the inside from this side. And that's pretty much it. All right, okay. I just want to do a quick walk around, quick look, so you guys can see what this thing looks like. The 2023 Mustang Mach Ex4. And yeah, that's it. Beautiful car, very nice. Like I said, it's the start of the electric game. And yeah, I'm excited for the future. All right, let's do this. Let's go. Let's go to the front and let's open the trunk area twice. I have to do it twice because there is no safety mechanism, so you have to do it twice in order to open up. And there we go. That's the space that we got in the front right there. This is the area for the windshield washer. And as you look over here, you can see some spacing, and that is to adjust your headlights. You got two of them on each side. And yeah, that's it, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.